new video. Christmas is over. We are in the week of New Year's and beginning of a new year. This year went pretty fast, I think so. And I figured 2022 was the year for me to like come out of my comfort zone, to get more comfortable with myself and just do things that I've always wanted to do and just step out on faith. Now me starting this YouTube, I did start a year ago. So it was just a challenge for me to always do something that I wanted to do. And I'm like so glad I did it because I absolutely love it. I love you guys. I want to say thank you for all the support. Like I always say thank you because you guys do not know how much I appreciate you watching, you giving me comments, you letting me know that my content is actually worth watching because I'm so nervous about like, oh my God, is people gonna, you know, when you do stuff like this, it's like, are people gonna like it? Are they gonna like me? Like, you know, and I'm like, you know what, at this point, I was given about what people thought and what they think of me and so forth and so on. But now I'm at a point I'm like, fuck it, like, who cares? Like, you care? I don't care. Like, I absolutely love doing it. I do. I don't get paid for anything. I don't. Cadoodles to those who do, but I don't get paid anything. I do this because I just actually have a passion for it. I love it. I love to shop. I love to tell people where to shop, how to shop, what to wear, how to style. Like that's always been a passion of mine. So this YouTube channel is something that I'm very passionate about. And it's just something that I just decided to step out on faith and just do. And so far, I think I'm at like 800 and something subscribers. And I started off with 0. So within a year, I've gained that. So I'm pretty cool, okay, about that. So, okay, Karen, stop scrambling and rambling and all that stuff that you do. I can like hear my husband now, like, girl, come on, stop all that, gang. But outfits, first of all, let's talk about makeup. Let's talk about this makeup because I've been watching makeup tutorials and I'm like, oh my God, girl, like I tried something new with the lips. Like I got this. I've been hauling makeup from T.J.Maxx. If you are not doing that, please, next time you go to T.J.Maxx, stop in that little section that they have with like makeup and whatever is over there. Check it out because I got like Bobbi Brown, I got Morph, NARS, like I was coming up and I only spent like $42. I got this, do you see my eyebrows? Like I'm getting better with the eyebrows, guys. I got this, some stuff is called like something Pharaoh. I'll link it down below. Got it from T.J.Maxx, but it's interesting. It has two sides. One side has a, like, it looks like mascara, but I guess you brush the color on your eyebrows. Amazing product because it laid my, I was always like noticing on my videos that my eyebrows are so bushy, but child, I don't put that on. Let me go get it. Hold on, because it's right here. Yes, it is cold. What is it called? It is cold. I have my glasses. Secret of Pharaoh. I got this from T.J.Maxx and like, oh my God. Like one side is like, and then you brush it on and it's color and it lays down my bushy eyebrows. And then on the other side, there's a pencil so you can like clean up and draw. Like, I don't know what made me pick it up, but I was in store looking for like an eyebrow pencil. Then I saw this and I'm like, okay, maybe I should try it. And I'm so glad I picked this up because like it just changed my whole view and whole perspective on doing eyebrows. Because I'm like, I'm never gonna get it, I'm never gonna get it. But this little thing right here is my whole life, child. So anyway, makeup. I did Dior Backstage. Dior Backstage. It feels like I don't even have no makeup on. I did get this Morph palette. And like, oh my God, it's called Lucky Charms. I got it for like $7. It was on sale. And they have all these colors. I guess it's like, they probably had around for, what's that, St. Patrick's Day? I don't know, but I bought it. No, it was probably Halloween, because like, you know, it had to be something that was on sale from a like holiday. So I think it's Halloween. And I got it for $7. It's like a lot of colors, but today I used the gold and the brown that's inside. I used gold at the bottom and a little brown at the top, and then I like mixed in. I did contour today. I did highlight, of course. You know, I love the highlight. My shirt is thrifted. My thrift haul, if you watched the thrift haul video before this, you will see I thrifted this outfit. My belt is Valentino, of course. And my pants I got from Walmart for $4 freaking. Yes, $4. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna show you my little mini haul I got from Walmart. All my items I got except for 2 items were on sale for $4 freaking. Like, so I was like, I gotta come on and show my dolls that Walmart is having a serious clearance. And I also went there the day after Christmas and got like a lot of Christmas ornaments, a lot of Christmas decorations for next year for like 50% off. The Hobby Lobby, I found out, was having a sale for 90%. Like, so, she's honey. Like, is she cute? And this was not on sale. I just had to get her because she was cute. You know what I'm saying? She was $16.98, which was regular price. I know, but she was so cute, and I don't have anything like this. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy this because she is cute, whatever. And I like her. And I don't know what I'm gonna wear with her, but that is a good winter essential to have, right? And I love the white. And like white and brown, like even this little outfit I got on right now, it could just, you know, I think I might pop it over that. Let me see how that looks. Then, this right here, this was $9 on sale. Well, that's what it's cute, right? It's cute though. And this is, oh, I didn't go over this one. But I believe this is Time and True. No, this is No Boundaries. I got this in an extra large. And like I said, it was regular price, $16.98. And this puffer is from Free Assembly. I got it in a large, and it was $9. You know, I usually be having everything on a hanger, you know, bougie and everything for y'all, but I have to cut that out. Now these little t-shirts were so like, they are from Celebrity Pink, and it is a medium, and it's like a velvet pink, and it has little puffy sleeves. Not really a puffer, just like a little ribbon or something. Ruffle. It's a ruffle, Karen. It's a little ruffle, and I got it in this powder. It's not even a powder pink, it's like a blush pink. And I also got it in black, and you know black is my favorite color, so I'm gonna rock this. Oh, and these were $4 a piece, not together, $4 a piece. And then I got this for $4. They remind me of, like, you know, when people go to like culinary school and they make them wear these pants like this. That's what these remind me of. But they're cute, you know. I'm throwing some pumps and just it's gonna be cute. Like I've been seeing these pants in Walmart for quite a while, and I've been liking them, but I was like, no, I'm just not gonna get them. Like I don't know what to do with them. But when I seen them again, and they were by No Boundaries, I got them in a excuse me, a large, which is like a large to Walmart. It's an 11 to 13. I got that. I kept seeing them, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get them. And then when because I had the little app on my phone, and so every time, because you know, sometimes I tell you guys, be mindful when you go in Walmart, get that little app, and then you push that little button at the top that tells you how much it can scan it and tell you how much it is. Because sometimes, like this doesn't even have anything that is clearance, and it says these were $17.99. But when I put my little app on there and scan it, it came up $4. So when you go to Walmart, even though it says a certain price tag on there, check your app and go and scan it, because sometimes the price comes down. Like even if you have a sale item, if you scan it, like it was some things that was on sale for $33, and then when I scanned it, it was $9. So make sure you have that app when you're going to Walmart and you're looking for things. Some things are priced, but you have to just experiment and look at that app. I'm telling you, because sometimes you get that deal. And then I got, this is a 2-piece actually. The other piece, I don't know. But there's this top that goes with this. But when I do my split screen, I'll show you. But these are pants, and it's BCBG Girls. And I got both pieces for $6. So that was a great deal. So that's about all that I got from Walmart. If they're having a big clearance, like I said, I did get some Christmas items that I'm not gonna bother and show you guys that I got. And I also got that from the clothing department, and mostly everything was $4. Like I said, there's a couple things in here that I got for $9, and then that fleece, that furry looking teddy shacket for $16.98. It was so cute, I could not resist it. So if I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but if I do not post it if I do post it before New Year, I'm gonna say I want you guys to have a happy New Year. Let's pray for a great 2023. I cannot wait, because and look out for my social media, because I'm doing New Year outfits, the thrift edition, because all my pieces that I got were from the thrift store. Like I've been being so blessed and so fortunate to find the stuff that I'm finding from these thrift stores. I'm glad I am a hunter, okay? Because it's just the thrill of the bargain that I be getting. And I don't know, people always like, you're so lucky, you're so lucky. I ain't lucky. I have taste, and I know what to look for. Just because everybody, like, I feel like I watch other people and they pick out better stuff than I do. So it's about your taste, because everybody's taste is different. They see, their eyes different. You see the art, because it's art to me. So you see it, you see the canvas, you see what you want to like create. So everybody's mind is different when you're thrifting. So just because I find something, don't be mad because you don't find it. You're gonna find your own thing, like whatever fits your personality, however you dress, that's what you're gonna gravitate to, and that's what you're gonna pick out. So my taste is different from yours, and your taste is different from somebody else's. So everyone, even if you're all going to the same store, we're all gonna pick out different things, because I think thrifting is a part of your personality. So with that in mind, I'm gonna say again, see you dolls later. Happy New Year. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but I will see you dolls soon. All right, thanks for watching.